So one of the really important things on Thrively to keep students engaged and interested is to interact with the students. And Thrively makes it really easy for you to do that in a few ways. So a lot of the time, wow, I have a lot of notifications. Anytime a student does a journal entry or answers something for one of the activities or lessons on Thrively, you'll get a notification. You can click here and you can scroll through all of your notifications. I'm not sure how to get rid of them right now, but if I find out, I can let you know, because that's a lot. But anyways, so if you see that a student created a journal, you can click on the journal and you can easily either just give the student a star or you can comment on it and tell them something. So you can type a response, you can do an audio recording or a video recording and then post it and interact with the student that way. And that allows you to quickly interact with whatever the student has done. And Thrively's done some studies, even just giving a student a star, letting them know that you've seen what they have done will keep the students coming back more often and completing the lessons and doing the activities rather than if they feel like they're typing it into some empty portal that no one's looking at. Another thing you can do is view a student's dashboard and you can see the different playlists that they've been engaging in. And if they've done any lessons or projects or anything like that, you can come in here and you can do that as well. The student doesn't seem to be a very good example because he hasn't completed the strengths assessment yet. But I'm sure I can find, there we go, full strength profile right there. So I can see all of the student's information, habits of mind, aspirations, things like that. So this is another good way to connect with your students. If you come in here and you look at their strengths or any of their interests and things like that, you can reach out to your students and connect with them in that way as well.